friends, in this tutorial we discuss about rotate materials. So sometimes our materials not placed in the correct position. So that time we need to rotate, or sometime we need to rotate angled materials. So just you can apply the material. After applying that, just click on material and then right click. Here you can see texture. So texture, after that you can select position. So you can, after selecting position, you can see 4 different points. Okay, the first point, the red one, it allows to move. Okay, the blue point, it allow to scale or shear the texture. So you can move like this, scale and up and down, shear. Okay, if you move anywhere and you can come back with the original point, you can see the point is visible. So again you can click. Perfect. This one, yellow color, the distort texture. So it's look like a shaded angled texture. Okay, again you can place same exact point. The green one, you can able to rotate. So just click green one and then start to rotate. The angle automatically shows. So you can rotate. If you need angled texture, you can rotate like this. I need perfect 90 degree, so I can turn full end. And also you can change the size also, if you zoom in and zoom out like this. Otherwise you can pick the exact point. Here you can see the point, so just click. You can keep the same size. Once it's done, you can click outside to finish. The same way you can edit any kind of materials, angled or straight or inclined, anything you can modify based on your style. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.